Today, we will tackle about rhombuses. Learning target. A. Define the properties of a rhombus, including equal side lengths, opposite angles, and perpendicular diagonals. B. Calculate the area of a rhombus using the lengths of the diagonals, the side lengths, and an angle with trigonometry. C. How to solve problems involving rhombuses. D. Solve real-life word problems that involve rhombus shapes. So what is rhombus? Rhombus is a four-sided or quadrilateral geometric figure in which all four sides are of the same length, and each of the two pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Any parallelogram with equal sides, including a square. The key properties of rhombus. First, all sides are equal length. B. Opposites angle are equals. Next is diagonal bisect each other at right angles with 90 degrees. Last, diagonals bisect the angles. So the key formulas is different. So dagan tayo gina-use ng mga formulas by basing sa unsa ang given na question or problem. So first, we have the area. If you know the diagonals, area is equal to 1/2 times d1 times d2. Next is area using side and angle. Area is equal to a squared times sin of theta, where a is the side length and theta is an interior angle. Perimeter. Perimeter 4 is equal to 4 times the side length. Next is using the Pythagorean theorem to find side length. If diagonals are d1 times d2, then side is square root times d1 over 2 is square root is 2 squared plus d2 over 2 squared. We will proceed to how to solve problems involving rhombuses. A rhombus, first is finding the area of a rhombus using diagonals. Example, a rhombus has diagonals area of length 10 cm and 8 cm. Find its area. Formula, we will use the area is equal to 1/2 times d1 times d2. So for the solution, we have area is equal to 1/2 times, so our d1 is the 10 centimeter and our d2 is 8 centimeter. Times 8 centimeter. Next is equal to 1/2 times 10 times 8 is equal to 80. Then 1/2 times 80 is equal to 40 centimeter squared. So the answer for the rhombus has diagonals of length 10 cm and 8 cm is equal to 40 cm squared. Let's proceed to number 2. Finding side length using diagonals. Example, if the diagonals are 12 cm and 16 cm, what is the side length? Solution. Each side of the rhombus is the hypotenuse of a right triangle with legs. So we will use the formula S is equal square root d1 over 2 squared plus d2 over 2 squared. Let's distribute. So the d1 is equal to 12 over 2 plus the d2, so so 12 is equal to 6 centimeter, then d2 is equal to 16 over 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. So side is equal to square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared is equal to square root of 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 So the square root of 100 is 10. So the final answer for the question, if the diagonals are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter, what is the side length? So the side length is 10 centimeter squared. Let's proceed to number 3. So finding the perimeter. Note, if we know the side length, just multiply it by 4. So example, if one side is 9 centimeter, then perimeter is equal, so 4 multiplied by 4 times the given 9. So 4 times 9 is equal to 36 centimeter. Let's proceed to number 4. Using trigonometry to find area. If angles are known, so we will use the formula area is equal to a squared times sine of theta, where a is the side length and the theta is one of the interior angles. Example, if a rhombus has side length 6 centimeter and one angle is 60 degrees. So a squared times sin, so a squared times sin of theta. So area is equal to, so we will substitute the a to 6 squared, copy the squared times sin. So our angle is 60 degrees. So is equal to 36. So 6 squared is 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Then times 3 squared equal to 18 square root of 3, so it's equal to 6 centimeter squared. So this is our final answer. Let's proceed to the real life problem. Number 1. So this is one problem only, no? So our real life problem I need. So roof or floor tile design using diagonals. Problem. A diamond-shaped floor tile, which is a rhombus, has diagonals measuring 30 cm and 40 cm. How much area does one tile cover? So solution. Use the formula for area, which is the area is equal to 1/2 times D1 times D2. So we all distribute. So we have 1/2. Our D1 is 30 centimeter. Then our D2 is 40 centimeter. So 30 times 40 times 1/2. So we have 600 centimeter squared. So this is the final answer. Thank you, and God bless us all. Thank you, Mom.
Build brand love with Shopify, the commerce platform designed for entrepreneurs. Send up to 10,000 marketing emails a month, free, customizable templates, powerful automations to reach the right shoppers at the right time. Start selling today with Shopify.
Mo ba kami lang po, maki-park lang po, tapos palipasan po kami ng gabi?
Dyan lang kayo?
Apa.
Bakit anong dalang yung nag-ano kayo?
Nag-video lang po kami.
Ayun.
Aha.
Marami ang naganap na tawanan at pagbabago.